How to make Notion all-in-one life planner. Want to organize your entire life in one workspace? Let's build a life planner on Notion. So, you can go ahead and do this and create this from scratch by simply selecting new pages or add a page at the right side of private, and that will allow you to create a new page on Notion and then name it as Life Planner. So from here, you can go ahead and add your icon, cover, add a comment if you prefer to, add your body into this section. You can go ahead and customize it depending on your preference. But if you want to make your life easier, you can go ahead and use this Ask AI button. So you can ask Notion to create the all-in-one life planner for you. What you need to do is to go ahead and explain how you want your life planner to look like, the items required for the life planner, and the theme that you want to use. Now, Notion AI will start designing the life planner for you. So make sure to mention the theme that you're aiming for and the things required for your life planner. So if you want to manually create it, you'll need first a goals database, task and calendar, finance tracker, health and habits, journal and reflection, knowledge base, and that's basically it. So if you're also tired of making it from scratch, you can also check out some templates on Notion. So to be able to check out some templates, head over into Notion Marketplace. And then from here, head over to templates and then simply search for life planner. And you should find one life planner template that you can use for free to be able to use as an all in one life planner. And that is how you can make Notion all in one life planner.